Pause.
Come on, by my nose. The Breakfast Club. Dun, 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 dun. Today is moving day vlog. We are coming up out of this spot. Not much here. And we are moving into another Airbnb for a couple weeks. So if I'm looking tired, it's because I just woke up. It's about 7 a.m. here. And I just dropped off MONIE. And yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym. It's Friday, you know, wanna look good, wanna feel good. Mostly wanna feel good. And then I'm gonna use the sauna, take a quick shower, and come back, get ready to pack. Come back and get ready to pack. Gym, sauna, shower, pack. Let's go. Before we go, a little motivational puff never hurt nobody. Also, I'm saying this to remind myself that I need papers. I really need papers. I'm out of papers. We're about to take a little motivational power puff. That's what I'm gonna call it. We're going to take a little power puff. You know how you take your pre-workout? This is my pre-puff. This is my pre-workout. Power puff shake. I should make a smoothie with some protein. Some protein to take with me. I really don't feel like doing dishes again because we're about to leave. Anyway, hopefully you two don't flag this. I'm gonna hit it off camera again. Yes. Sienna just like sprung me right the fuck up. It's medicine. And that's how you know the medicine is working for me, baby. Not everybody is the same though. I understand. I met so many people that are like, I can't smoke, it makes me paranoid. I can't smoke, then I can't sleep. I can't smoke it, and then, you know what I'm saying? It makes me anxious. Girl, not me. The fuck? Complete opposite, baby. I smoke it and I have superpowers. I smoke it and I can fucking do anything, bitch. Also depends on the strain though, okay? I'm not like one strain fits all, one strain does not fit me, all strains do not fit me, so keep that in mind. The eyes is looking bright this morning, are they not? Just looking bright and shiny and healthy. Like I love myself, cause I do. That's right, and you can love you too, baby. Follow me. Come on, by my nose. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that you can do it. Where are we going? Huh? Self-love. Where are we going? Self-care. Dun 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 dun. So I just got done with my workout at Dubai. Fire workout. Great cardio and core and like honestly legs and as well. Just right now I'm rolling up a little sunshine on that. And I decided I'm gonna go hang out at the park for like an hour or so with my ukulele, some weed, some food. I want to take the bunnies because they, you know, they are animals and you need to be in their natural environment. They haven't had the chance to be out in our yard since we don't have a yard where we're at right now and we're displaced from our apartment. So I'm gonna take them to the park and they have like this cute little like pop-up pen that they can run around in. Of course I'll let them out of that as well, but that's just for safety measures when I'm playing and I can't really like watch them or something or smoking, you know. So yeah, we're getting ready to do that. I just ordered myself an egg sandwich from the Egg Sando Cafe. That place is at bomb.com if you ever get a chance, if you've never been. It's like the Egghead place in Vegas, but I also have been to that one and it was kind of mids. It genuinely was not as good as the Egg Sando Cafe that we have here. So, hot take, but try it yourself. Made it to the Chinese Cultural Garden. Gonna get you guys out and let you hop around in the grounds. And then chilling there while I jam when I get my ukulele. But first I gotta eat, so. Happy to see real grass. It's been a little bit, huh? I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Did you guys enjoy? Oh yeah, we're looking happy. and nomming on the grass up there. Yes. Very happy. I can't even lie, y'all. I couldn't wait to let the phone eat first because I'm fucking hungry. And this shit right here, boss. Boss. One eternity later. Fit check. One of my favorite fits. Genuinely vlog. I just keep forgetting to record and my phone be dying. I've been out of storage and stuff. But this is the fit. Check out this cute scrunchie I just got from a friend yesterday. She made it and then gifted it to me. But this is the fit. These are the vibes. And I'm about to walk to this new breakfast spot down the street that I've never been to called, it's like a brunch spot called The Breakfast Club. And it be popping, the line be going outside for miles. No, I'm exaggerating a bit, but it do be popping. And it's Sunday morning, so I feel like it's gonna be popping. It's 11 right now. Sorry, I'm just tying my shoe. It's 11 right now, a little bit of a late, breakfast, more of a brunch for me today as well. Also, just, 411 hot update. How's the skin looking? Cause y'all, I know y'all be seeing my workout journey. Look how funny it is outside. And me doing yoga and stuff like that. But I just started this new skincare routine with a new product by Amway and Skin Artistry. And it's called Artistry by Amway, and it's their skincare line, and it's like day 2, but I'm using the cleanser, the foam cleanser, the toner, and the SPF 50 mineral sunscreen, which we know is much better than that thick white paste type shit that's bad for the environment, as well doesn't offer you any of that extra mineral nutrition value to the skin. Whew, shake it all right, let's go. A little quick view of the front of the second Airbnb, but third place we've stayed that is not our actual apartment. Pretty cute though, right? I'll tell you what, there's that, you see that white tower over there? It's got cameras on it and flashing blue lights. That shit every night be piercing through my fucking blinds, and that get on my goddamn nerves. Other than that, it's pretty comfortable. It's pretty cozy. No complaints. I love when I wake and bake and roll the joint in the morning and I don't finish it. Like I smoke like half of it, so I have like just enough for like a little burn walk like this. And y'all, we are literally actually down the street from my apartment, which is crazy. We're not far at all. It is a walking distance, like 5-minute walk the other way. All right, we are getting closer, and my suspicions tell me that all them people outside, that might be the Breakfast Club.